Hello and welcome to the Queendom. I'm Sarah Engel and today we're gonna paint some hide and seek rocks.
This is me, I'm so royal.
So basically, I saw this at Target and thought it was the funniest thing I've ever seen. Basically, you pay $13 for a box of rocks and some paint, and they're hide and seek rocks. So once you paint these rocks, you hide them. Oh, wait, look what it says. Paint a rock, decorate a rock, because that's different. Hide a rock. It was awarded the Best Toy Award, the Oppenheim Toy Portfolio Gold Seal. You spread kindness and positivity by painting and hiding rocks throughout your community. Let's open up this box of rocks. All right, let's find the rock. Oh, here we go. We got our paintbrush. We've got the bags of rocks. I don't know why I'm surprised. Why I act so surprised to pull bags of rocks out of a box of rocks. Then, we have shiny gold ones. Okay, let's just do this. Oh, look, ages 6 to 96. I'm right in that age range. That's perfect. I love it. You took my money and I'm happy about it. Okay, please rinse and dry the rocks. What? You don't even wash their own rocks before they sell them to me? Okay. Well, I'll just dip it in here. Giving my rocks a bath. This one kind of looks like a potato. We could just leave it out there and people will think it's a potato. No, they will think it's a rock. I've got to decide what I'm gonna paint the rock. We determined this one's gonna be a penguin. This one I determined can be Mike Wazowski. This one was a potato, but it can be something else. I like this one could have the gem on it because it's kind of triangle shaped. I like the angry shark face. So maybe this one can be the angry face. We can make this one look like a dinosaur hatching out of an egg. So I'm just gonna start with the penguin. Okay. Top wing to be white because he's a penguin, and that's the color penguins are on the middle. Comment challenge, can you tell me which Disney princess movie has a penguin in it? Because there is one, so tell me in the comments if you know. Okay, I think the top of this is pretty well painted. Maybe I should let this dry a little bit. It looks like it's drying pretty quickly, but I'll maybe paint this one green or something while we're waiting. I'll let him dry a bit. Blue rock is blue. Do a second coat of that in a minute. All right, so we're gonna mix up some colors here. We wanna make a turquoise color, so that's a lot of blue, a little bit of green. I'm thinking we're gonna need a decent bit of white in here. For this, the egg, I think I'm just gonna start. We can figure out the details later. I'm just gonna paint the top and the bottom white. Okay, I gotta paint the black part of the penguin. I actually had rocks that were kind of like pets. In kindergarten in Michigan, there was a big one and I called it Kitty Rock, and I would play with it every recess. And then so when I was moving to South Carolina, it was very sad I had to leave Kitty Rock. And there was Kitten Rock too, which was like a smaller one. And I was very upset about this. And so I we got permission to take Kitty and Kitten Rock with us to South Carolina. This looks like a penguin. Without the eyes like done, it looks terrifying. Do we want him to have orange feet or yellow feet? Maybe like a mixture of both. It's actually really cute once I finish the eyes. Like that's good. Penguin is done. It's just gotta dry. Gold and black transfers. Cut out the transfer you want to use. For best results, trim the extra paper away. I'm gonna put the mouth on even though it's not super Mike Wazowski-ish. Okay, peel off the clear film and place the sticky side against your rock. Gotta line up the eyeball. I can fix it if it's not exactly right. Okay. Wet the sponge with some dirty water and lightly press the back and peel. Oops. Well, I'm glad it worked. That's not the way you're supposed to do that, but it worked. It worked. Okay, Mike Wazowski, I'm gonna call you done. Boop. Dry enough. Okay, let's put gold transfer on there. Golding. We just gotta snip away the edges. Now we gotta wet the sponge, lightly press. It's got a little bit of it. Oh, I think we fixed it, basically. Again, it slides right off. Okay, that's so funny to me. I'm gonna color in his teeth. Peel off the clear. On. Oh, hey, oh. Except for the part that I just messed up, I don't know if it had anything to do with the egg, it seems to be on there at least well enough for me to use it as a paint guide. It's a little sad looking now, but we'll make him better. Okay, I'm gonna try and draw like the cracked egg on here. And here we have our hatching egg. Now we've got our eggs. Not eggs. I just did an egg, so I was thinking eggs. We have our rocks. Let me close these up. Hey, I can take my hair down now too. Now I don't have to worry about painting it. We've got a cute little penguin, a little off-brand Mike Wazowski, angry face shark, queen of colored shiny jewel rock, and a little Barney hatching out of an egg. That was fun. I don't know if it's worth $13 for rocks, but you know what? If it gets kids to be creative because it came in a snazzy box, can't complain. If it gets me to be creative because it came in a snazzy box. Okay, but honestly, I think my penguin's cuter than theirs. Tell me in the comments below which one of these rocks you would be most excited to find in the wild. And make sure you subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and make sure you ring the little bell if you actually want to see the videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm off to hide some eggs. Not eggs. I'm off to hide some rocks. One of them shaped like the eggs. I'm not the Easter bunny. I'm the rock hiding bunny. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Water from the great beyond. Share your creativity with rock painters and finders everywhere. Hufflepuffs would be great at this.
My
I'm gonna sneeze. Well, no, it's a penguin. I'm a penguin, like, connoisseur here. Not like in an eating kind of way, but luckily it's the bottom and it's not gonna show. Oops.